high above, witness the breathtaking panorama of Cluny Manor, nestled amidst the rolling hills of Ooty. Here, Victorian elegance meets the untouched beauty of nature. Let the scenic vistas and rich heritage of Ooty captivate your senses. Come, escape to Cluny Manor and discover the magic that awaits. Walk through the gates, walk out of this world. Arrive at Cluny Manor, a Victorian abode set in the magnificent hills of Ooty. You are met with our unique hospitality the moment you arrive. Our first-class staff is here to cater to your every need. Enter a bygone era where majestic charm meets intricate design and atmosphere. Kick off your retreat with a refreshing welcome drink. Our dedication to excellence is what sets us apart. Enjoy the award-winning hospitality found only at Cluny Manor. Unravel the history of Cluny Manor, a heritage of elegance and serenity. Relax, unwind, and let us take care of you. At Cluny Manor, time slows down, allowing you to let go and be soothed by the mountain breeze. Listen to the gentle patter of rain and drift into tranquility. This is your retreat, an escape from life's chaos. Step onto our open lawns, where the sun kisses sculpted greenery and vibrant flowers perfume the air. Every well-pruned tree and blossoming flower is a stroke in nature's masterpiece. Breathe in the crisp air, infused with the unmistakable scent of Ooty. Take refuge in the serenity of Cluny Manor and immerse yourself in a moment of pure peace. Wake up to the fresh, cool morning air of Ooty, where the mist dances like a soft welcome symphony. Step into a world of culinary delights at Cluny Manor, where a symphony of flavors awaits. Our master chefs orchestrate a journey of taste, from the fragrant spices of India to the delicate nuances of French cuisine. Our attentive staff ensures every dish is served with warmth, making your dining experience truly unforgettable. Cluny Manor offers a wealth of indoor pleasures. Challenge a friend to a game of billiards, or let the melodies of the piano transport you to another world. As evening descends and the crisp mountain air settles in, gather around a crackling bonfire with a steaming cup of coffee. Step into our vintage rooms, where history whispers through every corner. Each room is a sanctuary of comfort, adorned with royal portraits and rich furnishings, transporting you to a world of timeless luxury. Sink into plush bedding and let the day's stresses melt away. Or enjoy your favorite shows on a flat-screen TV. Our well-appointed washrooms offer everything you need for a refreshing experience. For those seeking a touch of whimsy and romance, our classic rooms provide the perfect escape. Imagine stepping into a space adorned with delicate flower petals and playful balloons, creating an atmosphere of pure joy and celebration. Whether it's a special occasion or simply a desire for magic, classic rooms set the stage for unforgettable moments. Our elegant bathrooms offer a refreshing start or end to your day. Cozy up in our rustic cottage rooms, where a warm fireplace welcomes you after a day of exploring Ooty. Even in our vintage setting, modern comforts abound. Cluny Manor stands as a testament to timeless elegance. From the grand facade to the inviting lobby, every detail is crafted to create an unforgettable experience. At Cluny Manor, exceptional cuisine begins with the finest ingredients. Our chefs meticulously select fresh, locally sourced produce and premium ingredients to craft dishes that are both delicious and nourishing. Witness the artistry of our culinary team as they transform simple ingredients into masterpieces. Step into our expansive dining hall, designed to accommodate up to 150 guests. With rich wooden finishes and elegant decor, it's the perfect setting for a memorable meal. Indulge in a lavish buffet with live cooking stations, where our chefs prepare delicacies right before your eyes. At Cluny Manor, every meal is a celebration of flavor and a feast for the senses. From high above, witness the breathtaking panorama of Cluny Manor, nestled amidst the rolling hills of Ooty. Here, Victorian elegance meets the untouched beauty of nature. Let the scenic vistas and rich heritage of Ooty captivate your senses. Come, escape to Cluny Manor and discover the magic that awaits.